I'm going to show you guys a glimpse of the book that I'm writing right now, is how to improve your resume and be able to get people to contact you, because that's what I've been doing in the last few years. The reason why I've been able to get all these jobs quickly. Okay, D-Truth has a question on YouTube. He says, hey Bruce, what resources would you recommend for keeping in tune with the latest trends and updates in cybersecurity? And I would say, D-Truth, that's a good question, by the way. I would say that it really depends on what category that you have in cybersecurity, because there's many different cybersecurity is a huge category. It's huge. Like, it's a huge field. It's a huge umbrella. You've got everything from risk management framework to, you've got cyber threat intelligence, which does threat hunting. You've got intel, which is considered a part of cybersecurity, cyber intel. You've got forensics. You've got all kinds of different branches of cybersecurity. So it really depends on the branch. Now, if you want an overall of all cybersecurity, I could tell you some of my resources. And then what I'll do is I'll break it down into different genres of cybersecurity, the ones that I know. First really good resource would probably be the CISA's website. CISA is a government site, not the actual certification from ISACA. I'm talking about CISA.gov. And so CISA is Cybersecurity Infrastructure and Security Agency. This is one of the best resources. This is CISA.gov, CISA.gov, and these guys are one of the best resources for things that are going on, mostly to the whole United States, like federal government, state governments. Like if there's a huge hack, you'll see them here, pop up here. You'll also see different vulnerabilities that come out, like the big ones, different malware. Like right now here, they have 2021 top malware strains. And then they've got a blog here with the newsroom. Let's just go to this one. This is dated August 31st. And this is SafeCon publishes 2022 SafeCon strategic plan. This is all like federal type stuff. So if you are in the federal space, this is one of your best resources. Let me see. What other resources are there? Other places you can go. If you happen to be in vulnerability management, that's people who take care of their organization's patches. There's patches that are always coming in and they have to update them. So one of the best resources for that probably is CVEs. CVEs is a huge database of all the vulnerabilities that are popping up throughout the industry. That's through a vendor, it's all vendors. So it's not any one specific vendor. That being said, if you have like say Microsoft patches, then the best resource is Microsoft for their most recent vulnerabilities and how to fix them. And then if you have a Cisco device, it's Cisco. That's the best place for the most current things going on with Cisco. And if you have an Apple product, same thing. Like if you have a Macintosh, you go to the vendor. But this CVE site is really good because it has a huge database constantly being updated to inform you of what is going on for vulnerabilities.